Hello, welcome to the Mark Janard Show, the cybersecurity show. In this video, I'm going to talk about penetration testing with Nmap. So without further ado, let's get right into it. We're going dark. So let's talk about basic Nmap commands. The basic Nmap commands and flags allow for robust scanning of the network and hosts without any scripts or programming. The Nmap GUI will provide many of the same commands through menu options, also called predefined profiles. The commands in Nmap will be renamed Intense Scan, Quick Scan, etc. And Nmap will allow for the export or results to be selected later instead of one at a time of running the command. Running the following basic command discovers open ports on the host at the IP address, and Peter, you can put that on the screen. Please take a moment to hit the subscribe button and the like button. Please take a moment to hit the subscribe button and the like button. Let's proceed. Adding flags to the command will extract additional information, filter scans, or permit exports of the results. We have the -A or aggressive return service versions and operating system information. We have the -O, which guesses the operating system of the host based on replies. We have the lowercase s capitalized A, which determines if a firewall is active on the post. We have the -p, which scans a specific port or number of ports. We have the lowercase s capitalized V, which allows for version detection for each service on each port. Very important for vulnerability scanning. We have the lowercase o capitalized N, which is the normal text file output of results. We have the -O capitalized X, which is the XML output of reports to a file, typically for parsing by another program. We have the exclude, which excludes hosts from scanning. We have exclude file, which excludes a list of hosts, including in file, the exclude file, which is the .txt format. A full set of options can be found on the Nmap website, which even includes a mind map of the different options. While very powerful, the full feature set for Nmap can only be realized through built-in Nmap scripts or through custom scripts. So let's talk about built-in Nmap scripts. Built-in Nmap scripts can be updated by running the command. And Peter, you could put that on the screen. That's sudo nmap. Once scripts are updated, a user can probe even more deeply into the network, host, or ports. For example, the quote-unquote banner script can be run against specific ports to guess software versions for specific services. And Peter, you can put that on the screen, that nmap -p21. In this example, Nmap is running against port 21, which is that -p21, to determine what FTP service may be running on the host located at IP address 69.79.4.220. The NSED doc reference portal links to the full list of 604 Nmap scripts and 139 Nmap script libraries. All of the scripts are written using the Nmap scripting engine, the NSE, and the list of scripts or libraries additionally linked to the individual pages with more in-depth information. Using custom Nmap scripts. Now, although the Nmap tools and scripts provide powerful capabilities, advanced users may prefer to combine multiple lines of instructions or complex commands to create customized capabilities. These additional capabilities require programming in Python using the Python Nmap package or the Nmap scripting engine, which is the NSE, which uses the Lua programming language, the LUA. Once developed, both the custom scripts and the built-in Nmap scripts are commands may be called by other programs. Network managers might use custom scripts to schedule a set of Nmap commands to map the network and detect new devices or changes in port status, like from open to close or vice versa. So that's what I have for you today in this video. Please hit the like button. Please hit the subscribe button. I appreciate your viewership. See you in the next video. Thank you for helping me get 1,000 subs now. The goal is 10,000 subs. So please share the content. Please like it. Please subscribe. See you in the next video.